my skin. I took the road where the fences end.